Why do businesses everywhere place such high importance on HR and payroll tools? That's the question we're diving into today. First on the list is ADP Workforce Now. This powerhouse provides comprehensive HR solutions, from recruitment to retirement. ADP excels in its ability to integrate all HR processes into one platform, making it a one-stop shop for all HR needs. Its strength lies in its scalability, easily accommodating businesses of all sizes, and its robust analytics, providing insightful data to drive strategic decisions. Next up, Bamboo HR. This software shines in its user-friendly interface and its focus on employee lifecycle management. It allows businesses to track and manage every aspect of an employee's journey from onboarding to offboarding. Bamboo HR also offers a mobile app, ensuring accessibility for all users, anytime, anywhere. Third on the list is Bambi, a tool that's revolutionizing HR for small businesses. Bambi provides affordable, on-demand HR services, making professional HR accessible to businesses that may formerly have found it out of reach. It's a champion for small businesses, providing them with the resources they need to grow and succeed. Then there's Gusto. Gusto is an all-in-one platform that combines payroll, benefits, and HR. Gusto's strength lies in its simplicity and automation. It simplifies complex processes, making payroll and HR tasks a breeze. Plus, it automates tax calculations and filings, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Last, but certainly not least, Paylocity. This tool offers a wide range of services from payroll to talent management. Paylocity's strength is its customizability, allowing businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. It also offers a suite of analytic tools, giving businesses valuable insights into their workforce. So why are these tools so important? They streamline and automate complex HR and payroll processes, saving businesses time and resources. They also provide valuable data, helping businesses make strategic decisions. Whether a business is small and growing or large and established, these tools provide the resources they need to manage and grow their workforce. So, there you have it. A look at 5 of the top HR and payroll tools available today, each with its own strengths and features, but all with one common goal: to make HR and payroll processes easier and more efficient for businesses everywhere.